Are you intrigued by the rave reviews surrounding beetroot juice? While often overlooked, this humble root vegetable packs a nutritional punch, transforming into a vibrant elixir brimming with health benefits when juiced. Despite its growing popularity, many remain unaware of the profound impact beetroot can have on overall well-being. Did you know beetroot juice has been cherished for centuries as a natural remedy, boasting compounds that nourish your body, amplify energy levels, and enhance vital functions? The real question is, what happens when you drink beetroot juice every day? How does it affect your heart, mind, and skin? Are you inadvertently making simple mistakes that prevent you from fully reaping its rewards? Today, I'm excited to unveil 12 incredible benefits of incorporating beetroot juice into your daily routine. I'll also guide you on preparing it the right way, avoiding common pitfalls, and alerting you to potential side effects. Stay tuned. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Before diving into the wonders of beetroot juice, please take a moment to like this video, and consider subscribing to stay updated on our health-focused content. We're thrilled to help you embark on a journey toward a healthier, happier you. And while you're watching, let us know in the comments from which country you're tuning in. It's always a joy to see our community's global reach. Ready to explore the power of beetroot? Let's get started. Click the link below this video to visit our website and unlock exclusive discounts and resources for your health journey. Lower blood pressure. Beetroot juice can reduce blood pressure. Beetroot is rich in natural nitrates that your body converts into a gas called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps to relax and dilate blood vessels, which alleviates pressure on the heart. When blood vessels dilate, blood pressure decreases, making it easier to transport oxygen and nutrients to the brain, heart, and muscles. A study published in the journal Hypertension revealed that daily consumption of approximately 250 milliliters of beetroot juice reduced blood pressure in people with hypertension. By decreasing blood pressure, you also reduce the risk of heart disease and strokes, boost stamina and energy. Beetroot can be your unexpected ally in the fight against fatigue. When you consume beetroot juice, you're stocking up on natural nitrates, which also promote better oxygen distribution, especially to the muscles. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that drinking beetroot juice helped athletes last 16% longer than when they didn't drink it. Healthier skin. Beetroot juice may very well become your new ally. It starts with its ability to purify the blood. By stimulating blood circulation, beetroot juice helps transport oxygen and nutrients directly to your skin cells. Beetroot juice is also rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that acts as a shield for your skin, fighting free radicals and promoting tissue repair. The betalains, which have anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. They can reduce swelling, calm sensitive areas, and overall make the skin look calmer. Promotes heart health. This ruby red drink promotes heart health on many levels. For starters, it's rich in nitrates. Compounds like betalains and flavonoids have been associated with reducing LDL, bad cholesterol, and increasing HDL, good cholesterol. Beetroot is a good source of potassium, helps to regulate blood pressure and heart rate. By offsetting the effects of sodium, potassium helps maintain equilibrium in the cardiovascular system. Improve brain function. Beetroot juice can be a real brain food, improving blood circulation to the frontal lobe. This means that your thought processes can become sharper and your memory more accurate. A study published in the Journal of Gerontology found that older people who drank beetroot juice before exercising showed better brain connectivity. Promotes cleansing. Beetroot juice enters as a natural detox companion. Betaine, a powerful antioxidant found in beetroot. Betaine not only protects liver cells from damage, but also helps them process toxins more efficiently, preventing their harmful accumulation. By reducing the liver's workload, beetroot juice indirectly contributes to better overall health, better digestion, more energy, and cleaner skin. Reduce inflammation. The magic, once again, lies in betalains, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. As antioxidants, they help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and trigger inflammatory reactions. People with conditions like arthritis or widespread pain often report improvement after adding beetroot juice to their diet. Promotes weight loss. Beetroot juice is low in calories, but high in nutrients and fiber. This fiber helps you feel satisfied, which prevents you from overeating between meals. In addition, the fiber present in beetroot juice aids digestion, contributing to good intestinal function and nourishing the beneficial bacteria present in the intestine. Strengthen immunity. Beetroot juice can give a significant boost to your immune system. For starters, it's rich in vitamin C, essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells. The iron also plays an important role. Beetroot contains a generous amount of iron, essential for the production of hemoglobin. Facilitates digestion. A digestive system that works well is essential to feeling good, and beetroot juice can be a game changer in this area. This is explained in part fiber contained in beetroot, which helps maintain regular intestinal transit and reduce constipation. As a bonus, beetroot contains betaine, which promotes optimal liver health, which is essential for the production of bile needed to break down fats. Another aspect, nitrates help increase blood flow to the digestive organs.